Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's class I teach you very important topic named formatted input and output functions available in C language. Definitely you find question on this topic in VTU main examination. The question will be like this. What are formatted input and output functions? Discuss with syntax and examples. Then if you explain what are formatted IO functions, you may get 0.5 marks. As you know all, scanf and printf, these two are the most commonly used formatted input and output functions available in stdio.h. That's why in every C program we include the center file. That one you need to write in exam. Scanf and printf are the two most commonly used formatted input and output functions available in stdio.h. This header file we include by using the preprocessor named #include stdio.h. You can write like this in exam. Next you need to explain scanf first. If you explain scanf, you get 1 marks for that. And if you write the syntax of scanf like this inside the rectangle box, you get 1 marks for that. If you give the examples for scanf, you get 1 marks. That means if you explain scanf, you get 1 marks. For the syntax, 1 marks. For the example, 1 marks. Totally, scanf gives you 3 marks. Similarly for printf, explanation of printf, syntax of printf, examples of printf. Let us in this video discuss about only the scanf. Let us start. How to explain scanf? Scan means what? Scan means input. What is scan? Scan means input. What F stands for? F stands for formatted. That is what we call formatted input function. What is scanf? Scanf is one of the formatted input function. It helps to read variety of data through the keyboard. We can read integers through the keyboard. We can read characters through the keyboard. We can read floating point numbers. We can read double type of value. We can read signed integers. We can read unsigned integers. All varieties of data we can read in different formats also. That's why scanf is called as formatted input function. Now can you tell me what is scanf? Sir, scan means input. F stands for formatted input. This is one of the input function. It helps to read variety of data in different formats like integers, floating point numbers, characters, double type of values, signed integers, unsigned integers, etc. Then syntax. Syntax means how to make the use of it. Don't forget to write the scanf in small letter, and here the scanf started, here the scanf completes, and semicolon is must. Don't forget the semicolon. If you forget semicolon, you lose marks in exam. Here my scanf started, here my scanf completes. It is having two parts. Here you can see the comma. Before comma, in double quote, whatever you write, that is first part. After the comma, list of variables with ampersand sign. In the first part, inside the double quote, we write number of format specifiers. After double quote, comma, address of v1, address of variable 1, address of variable 2, comma, dot, 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 dot. You can list n number of variables. Everything you write correctly in exam. Then you have to explain format specifiers means what? Data specifiers. Format specifiers means %d is for integers, %c is for characters, %f is for float, %s is for string. Then name of the symbol is ampersand. Address of, what is the meaning of it? Address of. v1 stands for variable 1. Address of variable 1, address of variable 2, address of n number of variables. List of valid variables. And don't forget to draw the box around it. If you draw the box around the syntax, well, it will be happier. You get good marks for that. Now you scored 1 marks for the explanation, 1 marks for the syntax. Next, your duty is to give the examples. First example is very simple. I want to read 3 integers, int a, b, c. Then printf, enter 3 integers. Next scanf, %d, 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 because I am trying to read 3 integers, comma, address of a, address of b, address of c. Whatever the 3 numbers I enter, those will be stored in a, b and c. Second example, float abc. I want to read 3 floating point numbers, enter three coefficients. Scanf, percentage of, percentage of, percentage of, address of A, address of B, address of C. Why I am using percentage of here? Because these are the float type of variables. I want to read a single character, char ch. This is a character variable. Enter a character. If I enter the letter K will be stored in ch. Percentage C is the format specifier. Char name of 25. This is one dimensional array or string variable. This is called as a string variable. You can store maximum 24 characters. Last one we need for null value. Enter your name. Percentages. Ampersand is optional. You may or you may not. Whatever the name I enter, that will be stored in name string variable. But scanf reads single word, getters reads a entire line. That is what the difference between scanf and getters for reading strings. This is what all about how to explain the scanf. In the next video, I explain you printf. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. Write the comments. This is my first time I am trying to explain like this. If you like this video, please comment so that it will encourage me to explain like this. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. All the best for exam.